Ian. So I would like to know what was your opinion on RGT, which is the token of Rari Capital, because I don't think you ever mentioned it, and I think it has a pretty good tech. And they are launching the new product, which is Fuse, and it allows like lending with any token as a collateral. So I would like to know if you heard of it and what's your opinion. Thanks.
All right, thank you, caller. So question was, what do we think about RGT, Rari Governance Token? So we love this project. We shared this with our customers in the last few weeks. We had a crypto deep dive newsletter on RGT, and we also did a code review, and this scored very, very well. So if you're our customers, just go on the site and type in RGT. One of the better projects we've reviewed, I would say, in the last 6 to 12 months. So definitely a legit project. For those who don't know, they're basically a yield aggregator, right? And this space is getting somewhat crowded, but solid team. Bill has also done TA on them as well. Bill, could you maybe also pull up TA on RGT?
Okay, so I've got it right here.
Okay, go ahead, Bill.
Right, so can you see my screen?
Yes.
All right, so RGT, interesting methodical uptrend. Okay, disclaimer, I own RGT. The thought process behind this is pretty simple. I saw it on Twitter. Who do you want to bet on? Do you want to bet on some stodgy institution or a bunch of 18-year-olds who have figured out a way to create a money market for just about any coin on their site, effectively disrupting a lot of the big DeFi players out there? So when I talk about DeFi 3.0, I have a couple of coins in mind. This is one of them. Okay. So I am betting on a bunch of 18-year-olds because I believe all of finance will be decentralized. And if this works, these guys may wind up kind of going down in history as the kids who rebelled against the system. So investing is about the story. And in Rari, I love the story and the chart.
All right, thank you, Bill. Yeah, I would say probably like half our team has RGT. Because first, you also own it, right? What do you think about Rari?
I've got some RGT.
Yeah. Your thoughts on it?
One of the, as mentioned, the new product Fuse, where you can anyone can add and create a money market for any token. I see that as more opportunities for yield that can feed into their yield aggregator, right? So maybe the yield on a specific new token that isn't listed on Aave or a different money market platform gets listed on RGT. That creates more opportunities for yield and potentially higher yields, if not maybe higher risk yield, higher risk vaults or whatever they're called. I think they're called tanks on Rari governance or on Rari. But yeah, overall, very bullish on the platform. I like Bill said, full disclosure, I own some RGT and got in, and it's done well since I've purchased it, and I expect it to go higher.
Yeah, so actually, I was also planning to buy some, but I feel like I missed the boat because right now its market cap is almost 170 million, and if we actually delve deeper into CoinGecko here, it's from the all-time low. It's really been on a moonshot, because if you bought the dip back on the 5th of November at 21 cents, it's done a 91x in 4 months, which is pretty crazy. So 91x on your money, turning 1 grand to over 90 grand. It's definitely done very, very well. Now, one other project I did actually invest in, which is in the same category. Our team also did a code review on this that we shared with the customers this week, is Vesper Finance. So from a competitive standpoint, I think Rari has more flexibility, but from looking at Vesper Finance, it did well on the code review, but also did well in terms of just the tokenomics. So we have a consultant we're working with, and he's just been raving about their tokenomics. And I think after delving deeper into that, that really made me want to invest in them. So I did invest in VSP. Its market cap is about half the size of Rari. So that's definitely one to keep an eye on. But tell us what you think. Anybody here bullish on RGT? Tell us down below.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.